Excellent. Well, perfect. Dario, there we go. Perfect, perfect timing. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, Romain?
Doing good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Listen, you have the floor. Please go ahead.
Appreciate it. Thank you, everybody, for being here today. And I'm looking forward to talking to you guys a little bit about our company, CannDelta, and what we do. So I'm going to share the screen here. Just give me one sec. Okay, let me know if this is visible. Can everybody see okay?
Seems to be fine. Yeah, perfect.
Awesome. Okay, great. So I'll give you a little bit of an intro to myself. So my name is Dario Yeganovich. I am an associate consultant at CannDelta. I've been with the company a little bit over a year now. And prior to that, I was working in a similar role, liaising clients through the regulatory process in order to work towards becoming a cannabis processor in Canada. Prior to that, I was working as a lead mass spectrometry operator at a research chemical company in Canada. And before that, I was obtaining my master's degree at the University of Toronto for pharmaceutical science. So it's my background in both chemistry and pharma that sort of come together to make quite a good synergy for the type of role that I have right now. So a little bit more about our company. So what we do is we want to move our clients quickly through the regulatory framework. And we do this through expertise, precision, and proven results. So we're a leading cannabis regulatory and scientific firm in Toronto, Ontario. We're headed up by former Health Canada employees, and we take pride in both our regulatory and technical scientific backgrounds. We offer a unique background knowledge that helps us successfully guide our clients through the regulatory framework and helps them realize their goals of ensuring compliance along the way. CannDelta today means that you get to go to work tomorrow. So our mission is to lead our clients confidently through a growing industry, pun absolutely intended. We want to give our clients the tools and resources needed to grow their business, develop new technologies, differentiate themselves from competitors, and all the while maintaining a healthy level of compliance. We understand that the industry is in constant flux and ever changing, and we want to keep up to date as much as we can on these changes and innovations and pass that knowledge on to our clients. So we are a smaller team, but we're a potent one. Our size ensures that we make time for all of our clients' needs, and we pride ourselves on our quick response times because we know the value of our clients' time. We have a team of consultants, each holding an advanced degree in the sciences, ranging in fields from chemistry to pharma to neuroscience to forensics. With a wide array of technical and experiential backgrounds, this allows us to do more with less. So we've worked with various clients in the past in Canada and beyond. Some of our clients include First Nations communities here in Canada, as well as international governments that are looking at establishing a regulatory framework in their jurisdictions. We also typically work with licensed producers as well as startups looking to get into the industry, universities, lawyers, and anywhere from small teams to larger corporations. We like to offer turnkey solutions to our clients. So whether that be connecting them to a realtor to get the right facility, or architects to design it, or to a record-keeping software or a security installer, we want to have all of those resources available to be leveraged by our clients. So a bit more about our personnel. So our CEO and co-founder, Sherry Boudram, she has a PhD in chemistry and has a combined total of 8 years experience in the cannabis regulatory space. She's a former senior regulatory compliance and enforcement officer at Health Canada's medical cannabis program under the MMPR and ACMPR regimes. Her roles at Health Canada included conducting on-site facility inspections of licensed cannabis producers and ensuring their compliance. So with this unique regulatory background, she decided to pivot out of her role at Health Canada and decided to help guide clients through the regulatory framework on their way to becoming licensed producers. She teamed up with our CSO and co-founder, Lucas McCann, who is also a PhD in chemistry. He also worked at Health Canada as a chemist in the inspectorate labs, and he brings an impressive scientific expertise background, which has earned him several features in well-renowned chemistry scientific journals, as well as being the author of a successful organic chemistry textbook adopted by several renowned universities in North America. So it's this combined experience in cannabis regulations combined with technical backgrounds in science, which creates a unique and formidable combination, which lends itself quite well to the type of work we do. So these are just some of the popular service offerings that our company offers to our clients. And this is by no means an exhaustive list. We're constantly getting new and unique projects from our clients, and we're always happy to take on new challenges. So I'll tell you a bit about our major service offerings. So the federal licensing to Health Canada is our primary bread and butter service. It's what we started the company with. And we work with the clients to draft and complete full licensing applications to Health Canada, including all of the necessary supporting materials like standard operating procedures and all of the ancillary documents like GPP reports or security reports required. We support all the different federal license classes from cultivation, processing to sale for medical, research and development, as well as more minor ones like the cannabis drug license or industrial hemp license. We guide you through the entire process from start to finish. As well, on the retail licensing side, we also offer to complete all of your provincial applications required on your behalf in order to become a licensed cannabis retailer. We provide all of the supplementary documents which will go above and beyond the required regulatory requirements. And we'll be with you again every step of the way from helping you secure a suitable site to designing your store layout, your product flows, your security designs, in order to ensure the safety of your inventory, staff, and customers while also being cost-effective and compliant. As well, we will provide a full suite of carefully crafted retail SOPs, which are needed to run your business smoothly day to day. So again, our standard operating procedures are another product offering, and writing clear and systematized SOPs that are easy to implement is a significant challenge, as Derek highlighted earlier. It's through our experienced team with a wider range of technical backgrounds that we're proud to offer some of the most comprehensive and easy to follow SOP suites for both the federal license holders as well as provincial retailers. As well, we're uniquely positioned to offer site inspections from a former Health Canada senior agent, and we will work with you to provide a detailed report that's modeled after existing Health Canada audit reports in their format. So we'll come in, we'll audit your facility and provide you with key observations and recommendations on how to address any compliance issues that may have arisen. And this is all in order to be well prepared for a real Health Canada inspection in the future. Site evidence packages are also another key component of federal license applications. So we work with you to prepare you for the filming session, and we'll have our team come and visit your site. We'll film and narrate a video walkthrough of your facility demonstrating all of the key security and good production practices features. We will then compile, edit, and render an elegantly narrated video and also consolidate all of the necessary security testing reports in order to come together with a strong site evidence package you can present to the regulators. Packaging and labeling reviews is another popular offering that we've had recently. Maybe you're a license holder already who's looking to have a new cannabis product be put on the market, and you want to ensure that your packaging and labeling is up to the regulatory requirements. Well, you can send it our way and we'll do an in-depth review of your packaging and labeling and provide you with guidance and suggestions in order to ensure that the components are compliant, and as well that your branding is able to stand out effectively on the shelves. Preventative control plans, or PCPs, and HACCP plans are a new challenging aspect for cannabis processors. So let us help you by working with your quality and operations teams to build a strong PCP document, which is not only easy to read and interpret, but easy to implement. We'll also teach you the fundamentals of HACCP and how to successfully implement and amend the PCP in all of your future iterations as well. We also offer some cannabis training and educational materials, which we have done in the past for some of our partner universities and colleges. At the same time, we've also provided specific operational training for different staff of license holders. Maybe you're looking at learning how to construct an SOP, or how to do a change control procedure, or how to do corrective and preventative actions. You can contact us and we'll be able to guide your staff through that process as well. These are some examples of the curriculums that we've developed for some of our partners at Kwantlen Polytechnic University, as well as NACPT College here in Toronto. So I want to go back a little bit to our federal license applications, as this is, again, our main product offering. And so I want to talk a bit about what it looks like working with us on one of these larger projects. So typically we'll start off with a project kickoff meeting and provide you with an overview of the application and licensing process. We'll request a set of documents and information from the client in order to get started. And then we'll get started on constructing the application documents required. Everything from the good production practices reports to various security reports, security designs, key personnel qualification reports, and more. So we'll compile the application that's tailored to your site and put it together into a easy to read package, and we'll submit this to Health Canada on your behalf. Afterwards, we'll also liaise all of the communications between the applicant and Health Canada on the road to your license being approved. And we definitely want to be there with you once that big day does arrive. So we'll be with you through every step of that process. So a little bit about the type of supporting documents that we typically work on. So here's an example of our facility layout and process flow designs. Our experienced team will work with you to design a facility layout that's appropriate for your specific operation. As well as that, it's amenable to expansion and subsequent construction phases. And with years of combined experience in visiting and auditing licensed facilities, we know what works, we know what doesn't work, and we'll help ensure that your product and human traffic flow is efficient, while at the same time ensuring compliance and minimizing your overhead costs. As well, our experienced security team has designed many security layouts for various operation types. We can recommend the appropriate security features to ensure compliance and avoid any over-compliance, which results in wasted capital. We work with trusted security integrators to ensure that clients get the best and most economical options available on the market today. And finally, we provide best-in-class SOPs that are tailored to your specific operation and also provide guidance on their implementation. Our full SOP suite for the federal clients covers all of the aspects required to stay compliant under the cannabis regulations, including quality assurance, document control, operations, security, equipment, sanitation, environmental controls, and food safety for edible manufacturers. I want to also talk a little bit about retail licensing, as this has become one of the other major product offerings that we've had in recent months. So while we do offer licensing across all the Canadian provinces, being from Ontario, we specialize in the process here in Ontario. And this is a little snapshot of the Ontario process currently. And this is not too different from how it would be in the other provinces in terms of what we'll help you with. So we prepare the company from the get-go with establishing the right corporate structures and obtaining the proper business and CRA licenses. We will file the retail operator license on behalf of the company to ensure that financial responsibility and compliance is demonstrated to the regulators. We will also help find and secure a store location that best suits your needs. We'll file the retail store authorization application with all the necessary security designs and ancillary documents required. We'll also prepare you for your pre-authorization inspection and ensure that your store is ready and compliant at that time. We'll also ensure that you pass your store inspection, and will attend the inspection meeting as your humble representative as well. Finally, we'll also have a hand in helping you prep for your store opening, including assisting in ordering your first batch of inventory, for instance. So a bit more on what we can do in the retail side. We can help find the best location for your store with the proper zoning requirements. We'll use data and analytics to inform you on underserviced areas as well as areas with higher percentages of cannabis users to really hone in on the most ideal location of your storefront. We'll connect you with realtors that are specialized in this space in order to scope out the best possible commercial sites for your operation. And similar to our federal applications, our security and design team will help construct a store layout which maximizes your operation efficiency while also promoting a high degree of security. We want to make sure that you get the most out of using your location's footprint. And again, we will also put together comprehensive security designs for your store. We want to ensure the safety of your customers and your staff and your inventory without any unnecessary overkill of costly security features. Finally, we also provide a comprehensive suite of retail SOPs tailored to the retail operation. It will cover all the topics required for running a successful cannabis retail store, including store management, operations, staff hiring and training, security, as well as point of sale systems. We also like to keep up to date on the changing regulations and provide updated featured SOPs like the curbside pickup and home delivery SOPs. So this is just a bit of a brief overview of just some of the services that we offer at CannDelta. We offer a depth of experience that allows us to tackle any unique needs of our clients that they may have, from compliance to scientific consultation and above and beyond. And we invite you to come and work with us and see for yourself. So this is just a few of the clients and affiliates that we've worked with in the past. We love, this list is always growing, and we love working with new companies that are innovating in the space and can provide any additional value to our clients as we move forward. I want to highlight our partnership with the Business of Cannabis as well, where we are their official regulatory consultants, and we see them weekly on their Monday Ask the Experts panel. So you can join us there and ask any regulatory questions that you might have and have them answered live on air. A few more of our partners here. And then this is just a quick snapshot of just a portion of our team. Since this photo was taken, our team has grown by a few members, and we're hoping to continue growing in the coming years. And we hope that working with us will lead to just as many smiles as you see in this photo. So I want to take the time to thank you everybody for listening. I appreciate your time this afternoon. Feel free to contact me. My email is dario@CannDelta.com, or our Twitter handle @CannDelta. Feel free to reach out anytime, and I can answer any of your questions outside of the conference. And I don't know, Romain, if there's any time for any questions from the Q&A at this point.
We can probably have just a couple of minutes. Yeah. Are you able to access the Q&A chat, or I can actually?
Yeah, I can take a look here.
I believe the relevant question would be if you're looking to expand your regulatory and compliance team in the future.
So currently, we are not actively looking for new consultants, as that may be right now. But I only anticipate in the near future that we will, and we're always looking to add new resumes to our short list. And we'd be happy to take on your resume, and so feel free to send that over to me directly after this, and we'll be happy to take a look. You can also contact me directly. I'm always happy to have a discussion.
Fantastic. That's all the time we have. Dario, thank you so much for your presentation. It's super interesting, really. I'm sure all the people that are looking into joining this field be happy to listen to you. We'll be sharing your detail definitely for people to forward questions. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you, CanMar. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Dario. Have a great day.
Cheers, everyone.
Absolutely.